Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my Wigslayers conference vlog. So I am not only vending, but also speaking at the Wigslayers conference. So for those of you who are not familiar with Wigslayers, Wigslayers is one of the biggest wig groups on Facebook, if not the biggest, over 100 and something thousand members. And they are doing a conference here in Phoenix, Arizona. So I'm based out of Cali. Oh, I'm sorry, bag just dropped on the floor. So I'm based out of Cali. So we just rented a car and drove here 11 hours. So I'm checked into my hotel here in Arizona. And so I'm going to be taking you along with me as I vend, speak, network. So if you have any questions about vending, how to vend, you will see your girl put in work. And then one of the things that popped up in my spirit is just to share this. So I have been doing YouTube, having Silky Sex for like 5 years, and I've also do social media. And I have over 1,000 followers on pretty much most of my platforms, but I don't have like hundreds of thousands of followers. And anyway, I say to say that sometimes I get like a little embarrassed by my numbers. I'm like, God, you've been doing this for a long time. You should be having more followers. But this opportunity found me. Epic Shay, thank you, Epic Shay, if you're watching this, God bless you, asked me to speak at this conference. And I don't have a ton of followers, but she believed in me and what I'm doing. And I try to do my best, no matter how many people I have watching or subscribing, whether it's 10 views, 20 views, 100 views, 1,000 views, 1,000 followers, 1 follower. I always try to bring quality and bring my best. So if you're one of those people who are embarrassed by your numbers or you feel like you should be having more, because I get it, right? But it's just a vanity metrics. If you are really out here putting out quality, you don't know who's watching and who will see and what opportunities will come to you. The Bible says your gifts will make room for you. So if you feel like this is what you're supposed to be doing, influencing, sharing with whatever it is you share or bring to this YouTube platform or any other platform, Facebook or wherever else this might be on, keep going. I just want to be a witness. Keep going, because opportunities do come and it's not always about the numbers, all right? So let's get into this room tour. So we got 2 beds. My mom came with me to help me out. Very nice. And then that's the window. And then the bathroom, closet. Got our outfits, you guys. Is an after 5 part I'm looking forward to. All Little Beauty's products. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
All right. So I'm getting ready to get it together. You know, I got to throw my wig on, get myself together. We are going to be mingling tonight. So I'm going to do that. And the link to Wigslayers, the group and all that, and of course, all the links to everything will be down in the description box. So without further ado, let's get into this conference. And the lighting in this is bad. Outfit, I'm a little nervous, but we're here to network, so let's do it. All right, you guys, so I'm dressed, getting ready to go down to the event. I gotta put some lipstick on before we go. Got on my favorite outre wig. This top I got, it's like a top and a dress. I got this from a black boutique on Instagram. I can't remember the name. And then I have on my leggings. And then for my shoes, I have on these Zara platform style heels. So we are getting ready to go mingle.
Oh, come on and just celebrate. Thank God that you made it. Celebrate. Cause life is crazy. Celebrate. And you just got paid. Celebrate. Come on, celebrate. Got Hennessy, baby. Celebrate. Got a little goose for the ladies. Celebrate. Put your drinks in the air so we can celebrate.
Woke up thinking TGIF, yes. Party bus tonight, don't get left. Hey. Woke up thinking TGIF, babysitter, put the kids to rest. Do it.
All right, so that's the end of day 1. We had fun, checked in. You can see, got to mix and mingle. Met Epic Shay, who is the leader of the Wigslayers group. Also met some Silky chicks and other wig babes who slay here on YouTube. So that was cool. Looking forward to teaching in the morning. Hope to see you then. All right, good night. Good morning. So it is day 2. Today is the day we vend. I'll be teaching the workshop this morning. I'm first too, so a little bit nervous. Got dressed, got the outfit on, got my Wigslayers tag on. Gonna go down and eat breakfast and then get all the things that I need together for the presentation. So wish me luck. I'll put some lipstick on after I eat breakfast. A little nervous, but we're gonna do our thing. All right. So I just got done eating breakfast and now I'm in the workshop room a little early to set up for my presentation. I passed out all of my workshop booklets that they're gonna get for free and the free Silky wig caps. And then now I'm just getting my presentation together, saying my prayers, getting my nerves together. I'm excited, but I'm first to go. So gotta set the bar and get it done right. So here's my presentation. I got that all together. I got my note card so I won't miss what I'm saying. And then up here, it'll be projected on the screen. Alright, you guys, I know I'm looking a little crazy. It's because I took off all my makeup and then I realized, Dequoia, you forgot to record. You guys, I'm sorry that there is not a lot of footage because I've really been trying to live in the moment and enjoy the moment. When I tell you those workshops were the bomb, those workshops were the bomb. So I started off with mine about how to find the best color for your wig. Daniel talked about wigs, and then there was a mental health therapist there, and those were so powerful. They really ministered to me, you guys. It got deep. People got to crying. Things got emotional. God was definitely in the room. So let me just tell you, a lot of people were like, I thought I was coming here for wigs, and I got blessed more than that. And it's so true. People started getting emotional and sharing their things. I was witness to. I mean, everybody was poured into. So Shay said she's going to do it again next year. I hope she does. If she does, you guys, you really need to come to the Wigslayers conference, and I'm serious. Those workshops were absolutely amazing. I am just exhausted physically because I poured a lot in, but a lot of people have poured a lot into me as well. We went to lunch after the workshops, and I linked up with some of my family that was here in Arizona, so that was nice. So now I'm getting ready to lay myself down because later on tonight, we have the gala, which will be nice. We'll get all dressed up in the gala, and then it's also going to be time to vend. So I'm getting ready to get myself together so I can go and set up my vending table, and then try to get me a little nap in before it's time for the ball. So come with me to the ball. Stay tuned, you guys. Again, I want to apologize if I'm not getting a lot of talking footage, but I'm just trying to really be in the moment, network, meet people, because it's been beautiful. When I tell you it has been beautiful, it has been beautiful. So.
Go hard, 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 go hard.
Say yes! Make some noise right now for comedian Chris Mosley! You didn't have to do this. Why you play that?
Alright, so this is the end of the vlog. Your girl is tired. I had so much fun this weekend Thank you to the Wigslayers, Epic Shay, Nicole. You guys put together a great event. Thank you for watching. If you made it all the way to the end and you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching over on Facebook, hey, Facebook Boost. Love you guys over there too. It was great times. See you in the next one.